Hello, my name is Andrew H. Griffin III. I'm a California bankruptcy attorney with over 35 years of experience. One factor to consider when deciding on whether to file a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is what to do with a car that you own for which you owe money. In a Chapter 7, you have limited options. If you are current on your loan payments, you can sign a reaffirmation agreement and keep the vehicle. The problem with reaffirming the car loan is that you just filed to get out of debt. By reaffirming the debt, you are once again personally responsible for the car payment, just as if you had never filed for the car payment. If you are not current on the loan, you can surrender the car. In doing so, the creditor can only get what the vehicle sells at the auction. The creditor cannot come after you for the balance as owed. While this gets you out from under the debt, many people must have a vehicle. A third option is to find another lender willing to lend you the money to pay off the original lender. This is known as a redemption of the vehicle. However, you have more options to keep a car in Chapter 13. While you still have the option in a 13 to surrender the vehicle, you can also pay the lender through the plan, meaning the creditor gets paid through the monthly payments to the trustee. This can have the advantage of reducing the monthly payments and also the interest paid. The process of paying a reduced amount for secured debt, like a car loan, is generally referred to as a cramdown. Unfortunately, the right to cram down a car loan was limited by the changes to the 2005 changes in the Bankruptcy Code brought by the Bankruptcy Abuse Prevention Consumer Protection Act of 2005. But they still exist, and under the proper circumstances, you can keep your vehicle and you might otherwise have to give up. In order to do a cram down, you will have to have had purchased the vehicle for more than 910 days before the filing of the bankruptcy. If more than 910 days have passed since the purchase, then the vehicle can be paid for its actual value rather than the balance owed on the loan. The reduced amount can then be paid out in equal payments of 30 to 60 months in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Even if the loan is less than 910 days old, payments on high interest rate loans can be reduced. The creditor still maintains the right to file a claim for the balance of the debt owed, but the claim for that balance is unsecured and will be discharged at the completion of the 13. One downside to a cram down is that you are extending the loan payments on a vehicle that may be coming to the end of its useful life. Like many things in bankruptcy, the decision to cram down a car payment or to surrender a vehicle should be made after careful consideration. This is Andrew Griffin III at andrewgriffinlawoffice.com. Today, we are helping you understand the bankruptcy process. If you want to learn more about bankruptcy, go to andrewgriffinlawoffice.com to get a free copy of my book, which you could buy for $16.95. But I want to give everybody an opportunity to get that for immediate free PDF download.